This is a very nice chance to visit Slovenia again for me. Most people it's the first time, but for me, this is the second time. This is a very beautiful country, and we have signed the MOU with you, and this is a very so-called a restart our economic cooperation. Our association, CIECA, is promoting the mutual investment and also the international trade between countries. And we are so glad that we visit here again. And this is a beautiful country. And the beautiful country always attract people to come to visit it again and again. And not only about the tourism, but also the machinery, the ICT industries. We have many chances to work together. We are strong in different fields, and we know that you are the gate into the European markets and all the countries around this area. And Slovenia is the most advanced country in the Balkan Peninsula. And you have good culture, and you have very long history, and Taiwanese people love this country as you have the love, LOVE, in your country's name. So we are looking forward to seeing our people to come to visit you and have a good relationship with you.